What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all really titled me Emergency Palantir Update. Now, I hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly stock analysis, but we also post weekly Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum, as well as weekly altcoin analysis, day trading tips, and most importantly, we also live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. Now, over here, we teach y'all not just how to make investment on the back end, but how to make money investing on the front end as well, actively as well as passively. Now, we've been talking about Palantir on this channel literally since the new year, right when it was that Christmas, New Year break, right? And if we look here, y'all would have hopped in when the new year started. Y'all would be up right now. So congratulations to those that put some money to the side and invested and hopped in this, because y'all did. For the day at the time this recorded video, that thing is up 25% for the day. Yes, you heard that correctly, 25% for the day. And if you would have bought when price was at this price point at $70, $68, like I told y'all could be up potentially around 40 to 50 to 30% right now. You see the screenshot on y'all screen. Now, also want to give a special shout out to the members and students. We absolutely dominated last month, January, went 17-3, giving us an 85% win rate, catching a total of 7,463 pips. Absolutely dominated this. Again, all these trades we break down, if not as well, enter live. Last quarter 4, we ended 41.4, gives a 91% win rate. We really do this stuff over here. First link in the description. You go to photos. There's over 3 years worth of photos and receipts, over 1,000 photos of screenshots of positions, screenshots of signals, as well as student results and testimonials. So if you've been interested about day trading, but you don't know how to start or where to start or who to start learning from, you're in the right place, y'all. Y'all see the receipts yourselves. There's a bunch more receipts up in here. I could literally scroll for a long time, but that's not what this video is about. But if you're interested in seeing this stuff and more, first link in the description. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Palantir. Obviously, we're going to be talking about specific price points to pay attention to and why I recommend DCAing in and DCAing out at. Now, first thing we got to do is see here that we are extremely bullish, right? Now, let's just think long term. If we go to January last year, it was at $16, $17. It's currently hit as high as $100, $102. So imagine if you would have invested every month or every week, bi-weekly, every paycheck for an entire year last year to this point, you would have over 4x'd your return. Again, there are going to be retracements. Like, it's not going to always be an uptrend. Retracements do happen, but that's why it's important to DCA. Now, as you can see here, we did a nice retest on the $68, $70 price range, and we made a nice clean higher high. Now let's go to the smaller time frame. So this is why I want to pay attention. This is why I said emergency, because we had this huge gap. We've been seeing gaps on the Forex charts as well as the indice charts all week. Those that's been in the live streams and members of students, you already know that. So to see a gap here as well, I had to make a video. So what y'all need to understand about gaps is eventually price is going to retrace and fill that gap up. So we also see here that price up until this point was trading $85, $84 as a resistance. It failed each time it hit this level to break and hold above it as support. So now that price gapped and hit this resistance level here at $100, $102, is either going to hold $100, $102 as support and make its way up to $110, $120, or it's going to retrace and retest $84, $85 to see if it can hold that support, which in this case, if it does that, I need y'all to understand that these profits, again, are unrealized. So you either want to take some profits or don't be too shocked or surprised if price retraces. Another thing is, this is going to be a great spot to pay attention to, a great price to put a position at, to DCA. Okay. Now, again, we have a clean higher high. Let's go into the bigger time frame really quick. So on the offside that it fails to hold that level of support again at $84, $85, it could try to retrace and retest $70, $68. So make sure to keep that in mind. Another thing to acknowledge is that we have this huge higher high here that has not been touched. So it could try to retrace, even tap, not saying this month, but don't be too shocked or surprised if it tries to retrace and retap $50 as well. So make sure to pay attention to those price points, because we also see that there's a gap here. All right, so we got two major gaps here. We also got a gap here. We got two major gaps here. So make sure to pay attention to those price points, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join a free signal, free Telegram. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my signature service, my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description, y'all. But before you make a decision, Let me tell you about those details. Advanced play signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York price watch list. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible steps going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York price watch list. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. As you can see right here, this is how we did last month for May. We went 16-4, giving us an 80% win rate, cost 69,396 pips. You can see this by going to June 3rd. You can also see some student results and testimonial, and over 1,000 receipts of screenshots of student results, testimonials, screenshots of actual positions of trades I took, screenshots of signals I called, all that good stuff. So make sure to hit that first link in the description and check all that stuff out. Now, that's how we did the last month. Now, how we did quarter 1 to start the year off, we went 53-4, giving us a 93% win rate. January, we went 20-0, catching 37,620 pips. February, we went 17-1, catching 24,403 pips. Then March, we went 16-3, catching 49,783 pips, catching a total of 111,806 pips.